Hey guys, you are just in time for tea time. That's right, so I am about to enjoy myself a delicious tea time, but first I want to make my favorite tea time snack, which are gul poğaça. They're Turkish bread rolls in the shape of a rose, and they're so beautiful, but so delicious. So let's grab ourselves a glass of tea and go to the kitchen, and let's get started making our gul poğaça. To prepare the dough, combine yeast, sugar, warm milk, oil, salt, and 1 egg white. Stir everything well together, and then gradually add in the flour, stirring with each addition. And keep stirring until the dough comes together, and then start kneading the dough for several minutes. And once the dough is no longer sticking to the sides of the bowl, roll it up into a ball. And I've already prepared a bowl with a little bit of oil, so I'm going to place the dough in the bowl and cover it with a tea towel and allow it to rise for about 1 hour. When it's doubled in size, remove the dough from the bowl and shape it into dough balls. Once all of the balls have been shaped, roll out the dough into even rectangles. Feel free to stretch the dough a little with your fingers. And then using some melted butter, spread it on top of the dough and roll up the dough lengthwise. Then just stretch it out a bit with your hands and using a sharp knife, cut lengthwise down the dough, being sure not to cut all the way through, but to leave a little bit of room at the top. And then open the dough piece and wrap it around each other, kind of like you're creating babka. And then roll the dough up into itself, kind of like a snake, and tuck under the ends. And there we have our gul poğaça, the shape of a rose. Place the poğaça on a parchment-lined baking sheet and brush each one with a bit of egg wash, which is just simply egg yolk and a little bit of water. Once each of the poğaça are nicely brushed, it's time to place them in the oven and allow them to bake until they're golden brown. And now it's time to serve and enjoy. I think they're delicious when they're still warm. And there we have it, our beautiful gul poğaça, just in time for tea time. Afiyet olsun.